an exciting year for us at New Belgium Brewing Company. We're opening a new brewery in Asheville, North Carolina. We're a 100% employee-owned company. We also believe in the triple bottom line, and with that means profitability, sustainability, and people. One of the challenges that we are faced with is kind of manually managing and storing paper. And so one of the things that we wanted to accomplish with this new brewery coming online and start to move away from the paper side of the business and start to be able to store it digitally, search for it easily, and be able to use a great tool like KnowledgeLake. It really has allowed us to do just that. One of my coworkers, Josh, was always spending a lot of time trying to get these invoices in and out. Now this whole process is much more streamlined. It takes Josh little to no time. All he has to do is an initial review of the invoice, and we send it out on a workflow approval to the ranger. It gets approved, and then the invoice gets paid. It's always really important for us to have a good partnership with our distributors, with our vendors, but if we can pay them quicker and on time, that's going to be a huge benefit for everyone. I feel like it's easy for us to just say, hey guys, what can we do next? Or here's where we're at, and what kinds of things do we need to look at for the future? What opportunities are there? And it's not just a one-time transaction kind of relationship with these guys, it's a partnership. We're talking to them about services and solutions, and it's not just about buying a product, and it's really about helping us become a better brewery.